The largest gland in the human body is option A pancreas, option B liver, option C salivary gland, option D gallbladder. The correct answer is liver. The liver is the largest gland in the human body. It produces bile which helps in fat digestion. The largest gland is liver. The digest enzyme present in saliva is option A pepsin, option B ptyalin, option C trypsin, option D lipase. The correct answer is ptyalin. Ptyalin, salivary amylase breaks starch into maltose in the mouth. Which part of the alimentary canal receives bile and pancreatic juice? Option A stomach, option B duodenum, option C ileum, option D colon. The answer is duodenum. Duodenum is the first part of the small intestine that receives bile and pancreatic juice for digestion. The stomach produces option A bile, option B hydrochloric acid, option C insulin, option D bicarbonate. The correct answer is option B hydrochloric acid. HCl helps activate pepsin and destroys harmful microorganisms in food. Enzyme pepsin acts on option A fats, option B proteins, option C carbohydrates, option D vitamins. The correct answer is option B proteins. Pepsin breaks down proteins into smaller peptides in the stomach. The process of breaking down food into simpler substances is called option A assimilation, option B digestion, option C absorption, option D injection. The correct answer is option B digestion. Digestion converts complex food into simple absorbable nutrients. Bile helps in digestion of option A carbohydrates, option B fats, option C proteins, option D vitamins. The correct answer is fats. Bile emulsifies fats into smaller droplets for easier enzyme by lipase. The enzyme that digests fat is option A lipase, option B pepsin, option C amylase, option D trypsin. The correct answer is option lipase. Lipase converts fats into fatty acids and glycerol. Lipase converts fats into fatty acids. Which part of the small intestine absorbs nutrients? Option A duodenum, option B jejunum and ileum, option C colon, option D rectum. The correct answer is option jejunum and ileum. The inner walls of jejunum and ileum have villi for nutrient absorption. Which organ secretes insulin? Option A liver, option B pancreas, option C kidney, option D stomach. The correct answer is option B pancreas. Pancreas secretes insulin for blood sugar control and digestive enzymes. Pancreas secretes insulin. The main site of protein digestion is option A mouth, option B stomach, option C small intestine, option D large intestine. The correct answer is stomach. Pepsin in the stomach starts protein digestion, later completed in small intestine. Which enzyme is upsetting gastric juice? Option A pepsin, option B lipase, option C amylase, option D renin. The correct answer is amylase. Amylase acts in saliva, not in gastric juice. Amylase acts in saliva, not in gastric juice. Bile is produced by option A gallbladder, option B liver, option C pancreas, option C duodenum, option D duodenum. The correct answer is liver. The liver produces bile. The gallbladder stores and releases it when needed. The liver produces bile. The main function of large intestine is option A digestion, option B absorption of water, option C enzyme secretion, option B bile formation. The correct answer is absorption of water. Large intestine absorbs water, minerals and forms fecus. Large intestine absorbs water, minerals and forms fecus. The longest part of alimentary canal. Option A stomach, option B small intestine, option C large intestine, option D esophagus. Small intestine. Correct answer is small intestine. Approximately 6 meters, the longest part and major site of digestion and absorption. The muscular movement that pushes food through the digestive tract is option A peristalsis, option B digestion, option C absorption, option D reflex. Correct answer is peristalsis. Peristalsis is a rhythmic muscular contraction that moves food along the gut. Peristalsis is a rhythmic muscular contraction. The digestion of starts in option A mouth, option B stomach, option C small intestine, option D large intestine. The correct answer is mouth. Salivary amylase ptyalin start digestion in the mouth. The small intestine secretes option A gastrin, option B secretin, option C insulin, option D glucagon. The correct answer is secretin. Secretin stimulates the pancreas to release bicarbonate rich juice. Secretin stimulates the pancreas to release bicarbonate rich juice. Which part of the digestive system stores bile? Option A liver, option B gallbladder, option C pancreas, option D duodenum. The correct answer is gallbladder. The gallbladder stores and concentrates bile produced by the liver. The opening between the stomach and small intestine is called option A pylorus, option B cardiac sphincter, option C epiglottis, option D pharynx. The correct answer is pylorus. The pyloric sphincter controls the passage of food from the stomach to duodenum. The enzyme that digests protein in the small intestine is option A pepsin, option B trypsin, option C lipase, option D amylase. Correct answer is trypsin. Trypsin from the pancreas digests protein into smaller peptide. Trypsin digests the proteins. Which organ produces digestive enzymes and hormones both? Option A pancreas, option B liver, option C stomach, option D gallbladder. The answer is pancreas. Pancreas acts on both endocrine hormones like insulin and exocrine enzymes gland. The finger-like projections in the small intestine are called option A villi, option B cilia, option C papilla, option D microtubules. Answer is villi. Villi increase surface area for absorption of nutrients. Which vitamin is synthesized by intestinal bacteria? Option A vitamin A, option B vitamin D, option C vitamin K, option D vitamin C. The correct answer is option C vitamin K. Vitamin K and sub B vitamins are produced by gut bacteria. The end product of carbohydrate digestion is option A glucose, option B starch, option C maltose, option D sucrose. The correct answer is glucose. Carbohydrates are broken down into glucose, the simplest sugar absorbed by body. Thank you all.